Yes, another one has made it, has arrived. Yay! Finally! Alright, we have 3 cars that has arrived, and some of the cars has been moved. Everything good?
Very good.
Yay, everything good. Alright. Yeah. Lovely, lovely. Let's wait for the others. I know it's only 15 cars, and but people will be surprised that even though it's just 15 cars, the convoy stretches out when you're dealing with traffic, basically. Alright. Go rest, go rest. There we go. The others have arrived. Yay! Yay! Hello! We did it! Wow, look at all that! Whoops! Oh! Hello! Hello, son! Wow, so happy. Yeah, the parents are here. Yeah, it's very nice to see father and son and mother together joining activities. It's always lovely to see that. Alright. Oh, that's a big jam happening now with the cars. Obviously, when all 15 arrive at the same time, trying to, you know, get everybody down at the same time. But it's alright, it's alright. Okay. Yeah. Is that the last one? No, it's not the last one. We still have a couple more on the way. We still have a few on the way. Oh, hi there. Okay. There we go. Alright, the rest should come later. So, which is your favorite color? Red, white, blue, and that green is beautiful. That green is beautiful. Yeah, that one is pretty. It's so nice to meet subscribers, walk up to me, shake my hand and say, hey Bobby, thank you. I watched your video and you showed the in-depth, you know, everything about that property, and then I bought it and I'm very happy with my purchase. Thank you so much. You know, this kind of messages, or cars even, or cars, you know, it actually makes me feel happy because I'm telling the truth and everything that I see. And when people hear what I say and then they went and check it out and it correlates exactly what I say and they like what they see and they made their purchase and they're happy with it, and I'm also happy. It's always happy to, it's almost like you feel happy. You feel happy when you introduce something to a friend that you genuinely think is good, and then your friend bought it, and then your friend is very happy with it, and then your friend thank you, and that feeling is insurmountable. It's just a very satisfying feeling, even though when they buy something you don't get anything out of it, right? It's not like you're gonna stay with them or use their cars anyway, but that sensation of you being able to share something good to someone and they genuinely thank you for it, it's nice. It's nice. Yeah. There we have it. The sweeper has become the leader in leading the remaining cars, and they have all arrived. All 15 has arrived safely. Tiring?
Okay.
Okay. Whoa! Everything okay? Tiring? Okay? Alright. Head to level 13. Alright. Yeah. How's things, bro? Okay. Wow, she looks so fresh. Must be asleep. Good. Everything okay? Alright, alright. Arrive. Yay. There we have it. La la la. Oh. Everybody has arrived safely. That's the most important thing, to arrive safely. Alright. Alright. Let's head up. Now that we have finished lunch and checked into our rooms and shower and freshen up, and then tonight will be the dinner where we will meet the Evo Club Singapore group at Ferruni at Tebrau, and then of course with every participant here, all 15 cars, of course some are in the basement. Alright, and we're gonna have a nice dinner tonight with Bond Estate, Auto Bavaria, Ferruni, and Horizons Evo Club from Singapore and Johor. Awesome, we're gonna see you guys. Alright, cheers.
Our business in 2010. This is our only vision. Including myself, my name is CC Ngai. So one of the way to remember my name is every time you want to CC copy to somebody, or you remember my surname. It's very unique. Probably no one know what is actually Ngai, N-G-E-I. So very unique name. So in Cantonese say, Mo Yang Sing. You say that we don't want to sell town anymore. Because town is such a very boring thing that we ask yourself, how can we do
Bond experience. So Bond Auto Bavaria is unique to our purchasers only. Our raving fans, I call it, our supporters as well, is we are giving back to you to let you enjoy a good 3-hour, almost 4 hours drive one way and another 4 hours drive back again to KL to really experience the EV experience. And as I joked last night was that when you buy a new car, which requires a new infrastructure, please also buy a new property that has the infrastructure ready for you. Because Bond Carriera's car park, or one of the car park days, every unit is equipped with an EV isolator. So basically,
for hosting us here. And as a representative of Auto Bavaria, I would like to first of all thank Bond Estate.
Yeah. Yay, dinner time! Dinner time! Hello. Sorry?
Are you from this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I see. You came alone. But you're from the Singapore group. Oh, okay. Please come in here.
Alright.
That's Jerome, that's William, Singapore as well. He's alone from the group. Okay. All right. Okay, I got my mind blown just now because when I heard that we're coming to a tile factory or showroom, I thought it's not like this. But when I walk in, I was amazed. Okay, these guys are so different. Now, maybe I'm Ulu lah, but my colleague Nicholas told me he knew Ferruni. In fact, he went to their PJ showroom and picked the tiles himself. He said their stuffs are just different. They're so different from the usual stuffs. So, and I was here tonight with my eyes wide open, you know. Don't laugh at me. I really, because I'm not from this industry, okay, but of course I'm a consumer, right? I have my home. I'm collecting my home tomorrow, next year, right? And obviously I will need to renovate my house, my place and all that. And when I saw all this, I'm like, wow. Why? Because I'm not someone I am not someone who shop for my own renovation stuff. I'm the type of guy where I tell my renovation guy what I don't like, you go and do it and then I'll pay you. I'm that type, okay? So I've never been exposed to all these things. I don't do my research and all that. For those who know me, I don't even wash my own car, alright? So that's what I do with my workshop as well. I just ask them to just do and then bill me. Of course, we're here because Bond Estate with Auto Bavaria, BMW, and of course Horizon. We're bringing you guys here, all this to Ferruni. Why? Because Bond Chiara, this full EV enabled property. So that means every single parking bay inside for every single unit is installed with their own isolator. Okay, just to as a reminder. And Bond Chiara's tiles all use Ferruni. All right, so I'm gonna bring you guys to the showroom one round. Okay. So, and of course, why the BMW iX here? Because to let the buyers of Bond Chiara experience the EV lifestyle. All right, so we went on a EV endurance drive. Okay, so look at their stuffs. They can do modular sizes, designer collection, decors, eye shapes with tiles. Now, if you're from the industry, again, I'm not, and all these are pretty new to me, to my eyes. Okay. I didn't know these are possible. I didn't know mix and match is possible. I did not know all these hexagon stuffs are available. I didn't know all that. And today, my eyes are, wow, I learned something new, all right? Tiles like these, right? You can buy them like this and then match them. Tiles like these, okay? Which, when you fill it with grout and then you can turn up like that. These are pretty lovely as well. Okay, different materials, different cuts, unique stuffs, right? Like this one. Of course, some are nice to see, but something like this won't be nice to touch as opposed to something like this. All right, and pretty cool. Sorry. Cement design. This is cool. This is like some. Basically, when you buy one piece at 54 ringgit, okay, it's not like this, right? It's a bigger one, but I don't know how big was that. And you can mix and match different designs, okay? Oh, that's the very old school type. Wow, old houses have this. I miss this. The old houses, they would just take the random stones and throw it in and mix it up, and then they slice it, right? Look at this one. So it's very cool that Bond Chiara selects who does their tiles and all that, and then the collaboration makes sense for both parties. And this is really cool. This wall here, the mix and match wall, you can actually come here with, of course, your other half, because you guys, let's say you want to renovate your bathroom, okay? Then probably for the floor, you want something not so slippery for bathroom, right? You don't want it to be slippery. Okay, this feels good. This feels good. It's there's textures on it, and probably you like this one. And then what about the floor? What about the wall? Which one would you like? So the wall, probably you can have something smoother, nicer to the touch instead of a rough one. And then you look at this one. Of course, the reflective ones are good, but sometimes people say, oh, that's too hotel-like. And this one is matte finish. Okay, you can feel a little bit of texture, and it's mostly matte, but a mixture. And then you can see whether it match or not. Okay, for your wall and then for your floor. Now, the best part is, as you and your wife is doing this, or you and your husband is doing this, you don't need to take a picture and then imagine and then go home, look at your photo. No, you bring this home, and you bring this home, okay? Go to your bathroom and put it inside under the lighting so that you can feel it, to be very, very sure how's the combination that you wanted. Okay, probably this is not the one to go for. What about something like this, okay? And then you go back and try and match it. Oh fuck, it's the same. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. I took the same thing. Alright. Okay, let's say this. Okay, I'm trying to look like a pro here. Okay? Okay, that probably your toilet is gonna be a little bit too dark. Did I just pick the same one again? Oh, this looks the same, but the texture is less moon surface like. Okay, put it this way. After you look around, then you put back, right? No, you bring this home, you match, and you leave it at home. It's yours. They give it to you, this whole thing. In fact, if you're hardworking enough to come to Feruni and pick a few every day, by year end, you may have free tiles for your toilet. Literally free. And then you're done. You don't need to buy. Okay, let's not ruin it for everybody. Okay, the intention of Feruni is genuine, is honest and genuine. Okay, this is cool. It's matte, it's smooth, but it's not slippery. I like it. All right. So again, this is all new to me. I never knew that. All right. So this is Feruni. They have showrooms all over the country. Go in there and pick and mix and match and take it home. Yeah. And do check out Feruni. And of course, for those of you who are curious with Bon Chiara by now, go and check it out. And of course, again, buying an EV, you can check out Auto Bavaria. Cheers.
Hey, you still doing
Yeah.
e-hailing?
Good night.
You doing e-hailing? Premium price lor.
All right. Good night. Long night. Long day.